Solid maple butcher block countertops will enhance your kitchen. These tops combine function with style. Select solid maple, walnut, cherry, red oak, edge grain, end grain, all the good stuff made in the USA. Free shipping and no tax most areas. These tabletops and island tops are super attractive as seen on professional cooking shows, This Old House, Better Homes and Garden, you name it. Visit the website and learn more information today. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping. That is the good stuff right there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Hello, Chef here with yet again another butcher block video. Butcher block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old. And it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just going to put it on like this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily, this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah. The oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. The sponsor's right there. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. These blocks come in a variety of thicknesses and sizes. This one here is approximately 18 by 18 by 2 1/4. And the big one, this monster here, is like 48 by 25 by 4. Yeah, made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping.